October 2nd, endangered animals return to nature in southern Vietnam. Forest rangers released 10 animals of 8 species into Bearmouth National Park in Bình Phước Province on Monday. Among the animals are 2 big-tailed macaques, 2 long-tailed macaques, 1 bar-headed ookaree, 1 white cat, 1 oriental red snake, 1 yellow-headed temple turtle, 1 reticulated python, and 1 Indian python. All of them belong to Group IIB of Vietnam's Red List, which means animals that are endangered or rare. They were handed over to forest rangers by local people. They had been either captured by poachers or accidentally fell into traps that were set for other animals. Rangers took care of them for a period of time and made sure that they would be healthy enough to live on their own in a while before releasing them.